what about your studies?
Good, I studied very well.
What do you know about tenses?
Kind of something, but not clear.
Okay, I will show you one education part.
What's that special in the class?
There is full of education stuff here.
Okay, let's see.
Yeah,
Welcome to Community.
thank you.
Please read your guide. And I have three daughters. My first daughter, past tense. Second daughter, present tense. And third daughter, future tense. I described that event had already happened to do so, and I have four daughters to meet them. And first daughter is simple past, second daughter is past continuous, third daughter is past perfect, fourth daughter is past perfect continuous to meet them. Hello everyone, I am simple past. I describe the actions or events that are completed in a specific time at the past. My structure is subject plus V2 plus object. For example, Sam cooked a tasty dinner yesterday. She played tennis with her friends last week. Hello everyone, I am the past continuous tense. I describe an action that was in progress at a specific time in past. My structure is subject plus was over plus V2 plus object. For example, I was walking to the park yesterday. We were writing homework yesterday.
Hi everyone, I'm a past perfect. I'm describing an action that happened before in the past actions and events. My structure is subject plus had plus V3 plus object. For example,
I had walked to the park before my friend reached.
hello everyone, I'm past perfect continuous tense. I describe an action that begins in the past and continuing up to another point in the past. My structure is subject plus had been plus before plus object. For example,
I have been walking to the park for 2 hours.
Describe actions happening now, universal truths, habits, and in same cases, future events. I have four daughters. First daughter is simple present tense, and second daughter is present continuous, and third one is present perfect, and last one is present perfect continuous. Hello everyone, I'm simple present. I tell about the habitual actions and general truth, and my structure is subject plus V1 plus VS or S plus object. For example, I eat breakfast at 8 a.m. She writes email every day. Hi guys, I'm present continuous tense. I speak about the actions that are just happening right now or in near future. My structure is subject plus helping verb plus main verb plus object. For example, she is writing an email. Hello everyone, my name is present perfect tense. I told about that action started in past and continues to present or continues to now. My structure is subject plus has or have plus be plus object. For example,
I have eaten breakfast. She has written email for 1 hour.
Hello everyone, my name is present perfect continuous tense. I talk about the actions are started in the past for still happening. My structure is subject plus has or have been plus before plus object. For example,
I had been eating breakfast for an hour. She has been writing emails. The actions that will happen in future. I have four daughters. Make my first daughter simple future, second daughter future continuous, and third daughter future perfect, fourth daughter future perfect continuous tense. Hi everyone, I am simple future. I help you in making decisions at the time of predictions, promises, and general future actions. My structure is subject plus will plus V1 plus object. For example, John will play football tomorrow. Today I will watch a new movie. Hello everyone, I am the teacher continuous tense. I speak about ongoing action that will happen at a specific time in future. My structure is subject plus will be plus before plus object. For example, she will be traveling to the Paris tomorrow.
Hi everyone, I'm a future perfect. I describe an action that will be completed in the before in specific time in the future. My structure is subject plus will have plus V3 plus object. For example,
I will have called you by 10 a.m. and she will travel to Paris by 2026.
hello everyone, I'm future perfect continuous tense. I talk about action that will continuing up to another point in the future. My structure is subject plus will or shall be plus before plus object. For example,
I will have been calling for you 20 times in midnight. By next week, have been traveling for by next week traveling for Paris for 2 days.
You can also do the same in your school. Thank you.
Thank you.